Since we've been learning about cold fronts, I wanted to show you what has happened in the western United States because this is a classic cold front with a cold Canadian air mass coming down. So big, huge changes that have taken place. Temperatures have dropped off, 30, 40 degrees, and they're expecting frost tonight in Wyoming. Montana's had snow, Colorado's had snow, Utah also. So you can see where the front is right now. It's traced all the way down to Arizona, and it's now entering into Southern California. So I'm forecasting winds right now and expecting the winds to really pick up, because what I'm looking at here is, see how tight these isobars are? That's an indication of a lot of cold air packed close together, and that's where the winds are going to accelerate through. So the reason why we have this is because we've had an air mass that has developed up over the Canadian plains way, 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 way north. So let me go to windy here. So it developed up way north. And so it's quite cool and has formed into an air mass. And so remember, a front is the boundary between two differing air masses. So this is going to be continental Arctic, continental polar air mass, very cold. And the thing is this is very early, and it accelerated. It has just dropped out of Canada very quickly. And so we have excessive winds between this area of very cold air and the warm air that we have south of it. And so where the isobars are packed together tightly, the winds are the strongest. The other thing that happens is that we have a mountain range in here, the Wasatch Mountain Range. And as these winds accelerate through that mountain range, they're pushed through the canyons, and so they accelerate. The winds have been really strong today. They've had gusts up to 80 and 90 miles per hour. I was looking around to see, so here's Ogden, which is right there in northern Utah. And so their temperature yesterday was 90. Their high temperature day was 55. Just an incredible change there. So the winds have been very gusty, as you can see, up and down, and they've seen a wind gust at this station of 65 miles per hour. So it's going to be a cold night here. They've got frost warnings out, but you can see colder air follows the cold front. So ahead of the cold front, you have the warmer air, colder air coming in behind it. So these barbs show the direction that the front is moving in and the direction that the cold air is moving to. So you can see it's going to spread into Arizona, towards California. It's spread across Oregon. I've been forecasting winds there today, and we've been seeing gusts of about 60 miles per hour in the Columbia Gorge.